are going to love the 2019 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, CD player, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.